How did you enter the house?
Based on the strength of the search and seizure powers that are available under Motor Vehicle Act.
Where?
He has power to search and the power of
The whole
search.
problem is, I tell you, he is himself the complainant.
No, that is for the crime which is
Sir,
registered by the police.
he has not done under those proceedings.
No.
Registration of the crime, he himself has gone. Why did he want to do that?
He was part of the squad.
Part of the squad irbodu. Complaint ಇವರೇ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಾರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ಬೋದಾ? Learned SPP was telling that his integrity is unquestionable.
Yes. Blood,
He's a very efficient officer.
I have.
So if such officers have committed in the josh of things, then we may not.
And after the previous date of hearing, my lord, Lordship had was gracious to grant, my lord, the interim order, and at the behest of my lord, the submission made by my learned friend, the Lordship limited it to the petitioner.
No,
On
he
the
was,
premise,
the learned SPP was telling that his integrity is unquestionable.
yes, Lord,
He's a very efficient officer.
I have.
So if such officers have committed in the josh of things, then we may not. That's the only thing. But ಈಗ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ತಪ್ಪು.
Kindly take my reply.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ದು ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಇದು ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ತಪ್ಪು. ಸೊ PF ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ 497/503 only for stolen article.
Yes.
All right, this is not stolen. You have taken it away unauthorizedly.
Right.
All right, no 55 comply ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ? ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. It's not an issue. Let me not go against this man whom you vouch to be honest.
Lord, I said yes.
That's the only thing.
Yes.
Only
He's part
because
of
of
the
you. Only because you will keep quiet and you saying that he is honest.
He has recovered so much, Lord, for the government. He's part of all the squads
No,
that go
see, I'll
on
tell you,
interception.
we will not trouble officers
Yes.
unless he must have done it in his
No, nothing.
josh to do it. Ashte.
Yes, he has.
But he has done it nonetheless. He has to now, this should be.
My Lord, 55 is not applicable, my Lord, in my humble submission. Lord, this is proceedings under Karnataka Motor Vehicles Taxation Rules, and therefore he has power to search and the power
The
of
whole
search.
problem is, I tell you, he is himself the complainant.
No, that is for the crime which is
Sir,
registered by the police.
he has not done under those proceedings.
No.
Registration of the crime, he himself has gone. Why did he want to do that?
He was part of the squad.
Part of the squad irbodu. Complaint ಇವರೇ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಾರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ಬೋದಾ?
Illala.
ಅದು ತಪ್ಪಲ್ವಾ?
Part of the squad, the registration of the crime was for the offense for him coming in the way of discharge of duty and fabrication of the documents alone.
ಈಗ
Not otherwise.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
Yes, Lord.
Now he is also in the place of a victim. He doesn't know what has happened. The showroom has sold it to him. He has paid money and taken it.
I'll briefly explain. I will take 15 minutes, that's all, not more than that.
That after learned SPP said on the last occasion that action will be taken against all erring officials.
ಅದು
All that they
ಬೇಕು.
have done. All that they have done is prepare more documents and Lord, put me with more documents. Thump me with more
ಅದೇನ್
documents.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ.
ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ documents ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಏನ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಅದಕ್ಕೇನ್-
stay was only
wait, sir. ಒಂದ್
And if
ನಿಮಿಷ.
your lordship-
ಅದಕ್ಕೇನ್ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Your
You are undertaking before the court, you execute. You bring in all the RTOs who have erred.
It will strengthen if your lordship passes an order in that regard. It will
You
strengthen our
have
case.
undertaken. I will only
Yes, we
say
will.
you should
Yes,
abide
yes.
by your
We will.
undertaking.
Yes, we will do that. Lord, it will also strengthen if your lordship passes a reference with regard to that effect.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Lord,
RTO ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಒಬ್ರು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ ಇಂದ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಫಿಸಿಕಲಿ
ಅದೇ ಅವ್ರ ನೇಮ್ ಇಬ್ಬರೇ ಇದ್ರ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ದೇ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Names
Kindly
ಕೊಡಿ.
take the Lord synopsis that I have furnished, Lord. I'm sorry.
What synopsis?
The history that my learned friend mentioned has a history, as he said. Lord, this car, your lordship gets the synopsis, Lord.
I am not,
briefly take
no
your lordship-
synopsis sir here.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ I will only refer to those documents.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್?
May I request your lordship?
ನೀವು ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್
15/12 to
Take up my reply.
only dates I'll give.
All documents.
Wait, sir.
Take up my.
SPP is here. Wait, sir. Yes.
Your lordship may not even look into the documents. I will, in a chronological order, would refer to all those documents without really reference. Not on 15/12/2025. Now, this car was intercepted in Madikeri as part of 12 cars that were intercepted. Then, Lord, he was asked to furnish documents. He would not furnish. Lord, Then he was asked to be taken to the police station, which he refuses. He says, from Madikeri, I am en route to Bangalore. So you take me to Hunsur police station. So therefore, as motor vehicle inspector accompanied him in the car, he drove the car.
Yaru, same person?
The petitioner's son. Not R2, not R2.
Sorry.
He was part of the squad
Correct.
because he is the main who can be a strong foreign. Inspector accompanied him. They would reach, when about to reach Hunsur police station, he would complain of chest pain.
Who?
The petitioner's son.
Sorry.
All this part of the record.
Which record? I don't know. Learned SPP is deposing. But I don't know. There is a complaint which does not refer to any of this.
Heli.
Then
Listen to the story. Why?
then he would, the inspector, out of fear, would get out of the car to fetch water.
Yarige, your son?
Because he was complaining of chest pain. Then he would vanish with the car.
Chest pain vanished or he vanished?
He vanished with the car.
Oh.
With the car. That was reported to Hunsur ARTO. It is part of the record which is Annexure A, document number 1 and 2. Then thereafter, it was reported, it is on record, which I have placed before your lordship. On 12/12/2025, this happened on 15/12/2025. Based on a squad which was constituted 3 days prior to this interception, that he would escape. Thereafter, my lord, on 23/12/2025, there is a complaint to the RTO about this particular car having been temporarily registered and without valid any other documents being run on the road. Based on the complaint, my lord, we write to the dealer, which is Hoysala. Lamborghini, Hoysala. We write to them seeking information. My lord, he would furnish information saying that I have sold this car only in the year 2022 and thereafter I have not sold. The documents that the additional commissioner would seek clarification from Lamborghini would say these are all fabricated. We have not sold anything in 2025. Part of, my lord, I have placed it before your lordship. My lord, kindly see page 8 and 9. Reply letter to the additional commissioner for transport from Lamborghini.
From Hoysala, is it?
From Hoysala, the dealer. Lamborghini
Vehicle
dealer.
was used as a demo car and subsequently sold by us after a period of 15 months on 1st June 2022 to one Harsha Infra Cons. So, and so copies of the invoice. With regard to the invoice, 1st September, said that said invoice not been issued by same appears to be fabricated and for does not pertain to our records or transactions.
Yes. Kindly turn to the next page, my lord. He would also admit that it was to be invoiced at 4 crores, but then it was invoiced at a lesser price. Because this, he would commit his mistake, he would admit, because we write to Delhi also. So there's some reference to Delhi. So therefore, he would say the value of the car would be 4 crores. 4 crores and odd. 4 crores 49 lakhs.
You're the forgery.
Yes, my lord. After this, my lord, there is a squad constituted by the additional joint commissioner to search and seizure. My lord, that, my lord, your lordship finds that.
Correct. Page 11.
Page 11. This man was part of the squad, headed by ARTO.
When did the vehicle end in seizure?
My lord, on 7/2/2026 at 5 o'clock, we go to the place.
No. Thing is, how did you enter the house?
Based on the strength of the search and seizure powers that are available under motor vehicle.
Where? Who authorized you?
My lord, the authorization is
Alla,
there.
idu bari squad create
Well,
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು.
authorization to search and seizure.
Where is that?
My lord, 11, my lord.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
Kindly see 11.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು
Copy
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಕೊಡಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ.
ಇವಾಗ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರ? ಸರಿ.
My lord, ದೂರಿದ್ದು ಈ ಬಗ್ಗೆ
Does not refer
ವಾಹನವನ್ನು
to any
ವಶಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ತೆರಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದ ಇತರೆ ದಾಖಲೆಗಳು ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಿದ ವರದಿ ನೀಡಲು ಈ ಕೆಳಕಂಡ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರವರ್ತನ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳ ವಿಶೇಷ ತನಿಖಾ ತಂಡಗಳನ್ನು ರಚಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. To seize the vehicle and now I will show the powers.
जैसा कि हमने अपने पिछले वीडियो में बताया था कि लैम्बोर्गिनी हरिकेन ईवो को एक अधिकारी ने जब्त किया था। आज उसी मामले की सुनवाई आगे बढ़ी और राज्य ने कई नए सबूत पेश किए। राज्य पक्ष ने अदालत को बताया कि जिस अधिकारी ने कार जब्त की वह एक ईमानदार अधिकारी है और कर्नाटक सरकार के लिए वाहन टैक्स फ्रॉड में शामिल लोगों के खिलाफ अपनी जिम्मेदारी निभा रहा है। राज्य ने एक पुरानी घटना का भी उल्लेख किया जिसमें याचिकाकर्ता के बेटे को पुलिस ने गाड़ी के कागज दिखाने के लिए रोका था, लेकिन उसने दस्तावेज दिखाने से इनकार कर दिया और जब एक इंस्पेक्टर उसे थाने ले जा रहा था तो रास्ते में उसने सीने में दर्द का बहाना बनाया और जैसे ही अधिकारी पानी लेने के लिए कार से उतरा वह मौके पे फरार हो गया। याचिकाकर्ता पक्ष ने इन आरोपों को रिकॉर्ड पर न होने की बात कहते हुए सिरे से नकार दिया और कहा कि उन्हें ऐसी किसी घटना की जानकारी नहीं है। इसके बाद संबंधित अधिकारी ने स्वयं एफआईआर दर्ज की और फिर अपने अधिकार क्षेत्र का हवाला देते हुए याचिकाकर्ता के घर जाकर वाहन जब्त कर लिया। सुनवाई के दौरान मान्य न्यायालय इस तर्क से पूरी तरह संतुष्ट नहीं दिखे कि एक ही अधिकारी पहले शिकायतकर्ता बने और फिर घर में प्रवेश कर गाड़ी जब्त करे, जिससे पूरी कार्रवाई पर सवाल खड़े होते दिखाई दिए। बहस काफी विस्तृत रही, इसलिए हम इस पूरे तर्क वितर्क को 3 भागों में प्रस्तुत करेंगे। फिलहाल के लिए बस इतना ही। इस मामले की अगली अपडेट हम जल्द लेकर आएंगे। धन्यवाद।